I think that these pods work quite harmoniously in terms of how they engage with their surroundings. Heavy on the timber, you know, really nice not to be using concrete in the foundation structure, that piles, no spoil, no concrete. It feels quite full circle in a way. Closed system, you know, it doesn't feel like we're using quite sort of earthy, sustainable materials. I mean, for me, like, groundworks can often be a really sort of heavy, wasteful phase of the build, but we literally came in, marked out some points and drilled these metal piles into the ground, and that was it. It was like so neat and clean, and there was no waste. It was great. And it's felt like that throughout the project, actually. It's just been well managed. I love walking down in the mornings. It's my favourite bit of the day. I love the way it carves through the laurels, and it just chimes with I think the wooden structure in amongst all of the greenery and the trees of the woodland, and the way the light dapples through sometimes and hits it, and you get the shadows of the trees and the leaves like brushing it. It's really beautiful. I really like the exposed Douglas fir frame outside, and then the use of the ply internally. It works really well. Maybe it's because it's a smaller space and it's broken up a lot with a lot of glazing. I like the vaulted ceiling. I think, yeah, the shape of the internal works well with the use of the material. And yeah, doing all the detailing on the ply has been really enjoyable. It's been quite labour intensive, but at the same time has been a really nice part of the project for me. It can feel a bit like us and them sometimes on projects, between architects and the actual fabricators, the builders. But with this project, it's felt a lot more team, which is really nice to have that element, that aspect of collaboration and working together from within all aspects of the process.